Welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can combine two or more data set in one data set or one table. This process I'm going to show you in how you can do it in Excel, also how you can do it in a Power BI as well as SQL Server. So here you can see I have a three data set in this Excel sheet, which is data 2015, 2016 and 2017. So from this three data set, I'm going to create one data set which would be append. When we do the append that data, that means we increase the number of row, but when we merge or join, at that time we increase the number of column. So here is the difference. All this process I'm going to do it. We'll just combine the table by increasing the rows. In order to do that, first keep your cursor on the table, and then if you go to the design, you can see the table name. I already changed the table name 2015. You can similarly change this 2016 and 2017. First you have to go to the data, and then you have to click the from table. So once you click the from table, there would be open pop-up page. It would be Power Query Editor. Here you can see the 2015. As soon as you close and load, it will go back to the Excel and it's gonna create one new sheet with that. Okay, so here is the table 2015. You can see the 2630 rows label. Similar process we're gonna have to do this for data 2016. You click 2016 and here you go again to the data and from tables, then again it's gonna pop up the Power Query Editor. So here you also again do the same process, close and apply, close and load. As soon as in close and load, you can see the second table is created also with a new sheet, and same process for 2017. Alright, so go to data and from tables. Alright, so now you can see the Power Query Editor, and then another table come up, and then close and load. Alright, so now we have three tables. You can see on the right side table 2015 and 16 and 17. So in order to combine these three, now you have to go to the again data and get data. From here you can see combine query. Combine query has a merge and append. So in our case we are doing append right now. So just click the append. So it will give you the help you to do the append all these two or more query. You can create a one query, so one data set. So click on this three or more table here, and we have 17 already here, so we can go to the 15 and we can go to the 17 also. I mean 17, we are 16, we have to do the 17, so we can clear this up and we can go to the 16. Alright, so if you wanted to arrange this, you can just highlight here and bring it down. So now you can see 15, 16 and 17. So you say okay. Alright, so now it's going to give you the combination of these three data set to create a one data set. Here you can see append one. Okay, so you can right click and rename it data underscore 2015 to 2017. Alright, so we created that. So now if you close and apply, you can see this is created already. So if you close and apply, you can see it will be created our combined append one, which is combined data. So now you can see the right side, all these three table 2015, 16 and 17 is created data set from 2015 to 17. Remember, it has over 56,000 rows now. how you can see that also, if you just click here, Control Shift and down arrow, it will also give you the, you can see 56,000 rows over here created from this 3 data set. Alright, so this similar process also you can do in a Power BI tool. So let's go to the Power BI tool now, minimize this and go to the Power BI tool. So here you can see the Power BI desktop. Okay, so in order to go to the that edit page, you have to click transform data. So you see it is open. The Power Query editor is very similar to Excel Power Query editor as well, because it is created from the Excel also. So here also you can see I already downloaded this 3 data set, 15, 16 and 17. So here is more easy way I can append all these 3 data set. So just go to the append query, your right side, you can see append query, drop down, there is a append query as new. If you click this one, then it will give you the same append pop-up window appeared. Here you can see 2 table or 3 or more table you wanted to append. So if you click on 3 or more table, it will give you the similar 15, 16 and 17. Now you can also add it to the right side, 16, and need to have a 15 here. Alright, so now 17 we can bring it down. Similar process, Excel, and here I'm doing it in Power BI tool. So just bring it down here and 16 one more time here. So 15, 16 and 17. So okay, so it will also create a similar way the append data set in a Power Query. So now if you right click here, rename it data 2015 underscore 2017. Alright, so now how you can see it, how many data over here. Also you can highlight here and go to the transform and click on count rows. See, now you can see it also combined these 3 data set to a one data set, which is 56,000 over here. Alright, so you can see right here. Alright, so we can close this. Now we have a combined append one data set tables. Okay, so now we wanted to do the same thing in SQL Server. So just go open the SQL Server. Here you can see SQL Server Management Studio. Here also I already had that similar 3 data set right here as well downloaded. So here you can see 2015, 16 and 17. In database we have these 3 tables. Okay, these 3 tables we have to combine to one data set. Okay, so just click the new query, and in order to join all these 3 I have to write the code. So just start writing, select all from, see this table, no, 2015. If I run this, it will give me this data set, which is 26,000 only. So now we have to write all 2 others. Okay, select all from 16, and then another one is select all from 17. So now if I run all 3 together, you will see these are all separate data set. So here you can see, if you bring it down, you can see 1, 2, and you can see the third one, no, all 3. So how we can combine all these 3? Here we can just simply write union all, and then another, also we wanted to combine all 3, so union all. So now if I run all 3 together, you will see it is just one data set right now. Okay, it's not no more 3 different data set. So all 3 are same, all has 56,000 rows, and all 3 different process in a Excel, in a Power BI, and also SQL Server. I have just shown to you guys how you can append all these different data set. You can combine it. There are some other criteria in order to do this in a query, but that is for another topics. Thank you for watching.